So my mom is here, Mama Betty and Mama Letu. We're gonna take my mom, my African mom and my American mom. See? We're gonna take her to shop at nursery.
Anderson's Nursery.
Yes, so we'll take you guys with us. Delina is ready. So let's go. We'll take you guys shopping.
These are also spring. So you want to get some spring things?
Sure.
Have them?
Sure.
Okay, but for right now?
For right now. Then look, bye. Okay, let's go. We are picking up. What is it? She's asking me what these are.
Well, if she doesn't know, then she doesn't probably want it. But there's lots more vegetables over here. This will grow. Do you like mint?
Yeah. ጨና ድህብ ኢንሻአላህ ያ ኮሚት ጨናው ጨና ይህብ እዩ
Want one of these?
ተድሊ ክሪት ብለክላ
Yes? No?
Oh, yes? Oh, she said yes. But we don't want to give it to Delina because she'll...
Okay, are we looking for tomatoes still?
Sure. Comidere. Kiri vermsa. لا لا لي خلا. No, زرقية لنا comidere. Go. Tomatoes. Alright, Delo, let's go. We are picking up tomatoes now. Oh, well, comidere.
These are heirloom tomatoes. I don't know that we want heirloom. We want
How about this one? Tomatoes, sweet potato, sweet baby girl. I don't know if that they just named them.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
If we knew what we were looking for, we'd be better off.
ተፈላለየ ሽም ኣለዎ ናይ ኮሚደረ ኢልካ ኣይኮነን ትብለክላ እዎ እሞ ከምኡ እንድያ ትብለክልላ
Would you want cherry tomatoes?
Good morning, you guys. We are up. We're about to have our coffee with Mama Letu and Miss Delina. So I thought I should share with you guys our routine. So we wake up in the morning. Yes. Up. And Delina is saying up. Wow. Really?
Yes, I'm going to tap.
Really? Is that what happened? She just started to talk a little bit, and she's gonna be 2 in about 3 weeks, which I'm so excited. I can't believe it, she's gonna be 2. Anyways, so this morning, our routine is that we love having coffee together with my mom. As you guys know, she loves her coffee. So this is what she's doing right now. كم حاجة كلتي؟ بن انت اسمها بن ناي نقها نقدها انت اسمها نقدها نقدها مبلا. She said let's have coffee. Yes, so we're just بقى ጎረቤት ክንጽዋ ጎረቤት ናንጽዋ ይሄ ደሊና አቢ ደሊና are you okay? You're okay. What? Hi, Dylan. Do you want to see yourself? How do you look? How do you look, Delina? Are you gonna have coffee with Grandma? Bun?
Mommy, Papa,
Go with Grandma. Kitty with Grandma. Go, go. Look, you wanna see Grandma? Look at Grandma. Wait. Delina, that's Grandma's seat. So don't forget. Is it coffee time? Go, sit, Grandma. Sit. We're gonna have coffee. Are you ready for coffee? Let's have coffee.
Mama, the hell eat the mom.
Get ready.
Move. Mommy's gonna sit right here.
Really?
Sorry. Sorry.
Are you really sorry?
Sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry to eat all.
Is it good? Grandma. Is it yummy? If you're happy and you know, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know, stop your feet. If you're happy and you know it. Good job! Get to a place. Abby! Put it right there. Delina, Boon, you ready? Sit. Coffee. Coffee. We're gonna have coffee. No? Okay, sit. Hot.